All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're going to tackle a frustration that I'm sure you've felt, a slow and kind of sketchy internet connection. But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to take back control and turn your connection into your own private, super fast gateway to the web. You know the feeling, right? You're staring at that spinning wheel, that endless loading bar, and a little voice in the back of your head is wondering, is my connection just slow, or is it also, wide open for anyone to see? It's just this really frustrating feeling like you have no control. So this is the transformation we're talking about. On one side, you've got your typical connection, slow, vulnerable, and totally public. But where we're going, that's the goal. Lightning speed, safe and secure, and completely private. A total upgrade. Okay, so how do we actually make that jump? Well, the answer is this really powerful 1-2 punch, a tech called V2Ray working together with an app called Dark Tunnel VPN. Seriously, these two together are the key to unlocking a way better internet. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about V2Ray for a second. I know, it sounds a little technical, but don't let the name fool you. The best way to think about it is like a toolkit. It's a set of tools that lets you build your own private, express lane on the internet highway. Your traffic gets to go super fast, and it's completely hidden from everyone else. So, here's the game plan. We've talked about the problem and the solution. Now we'll get your server, set up the app, and then get to the best part, the payoff. All right, let's jump into step 1, getting your server. I want you to think of this like setting up your own private little outpost on the internet. This is the foundation for everything else we're going to do. And honestly, the process is pretty simple. First thing, you're going to head over to SSHOcean.com. From there, you'll want to select the V2Ray service. You'll see options like VMess or VLESS. Don't worry too much about the difference. They're just different ways of handling your data. Then, it's as simple as picking a country and a server, making up a username, doing a quick I'm not a robot check, and then you're ready to create. Okay, now here is a really important tip, so listen up. Before you hit that create button, just double check that the server you picked is actually online and that it still has accounts left. It's a tiny check that will save you a huge headache later on. All right, want to kick things up a notch? Here's a little pro tip for you. For the best possible connection, you can add what's called a custom SNI host. Basically, it's like giving your internet traffic a secret, more direct route to get where it's going. It's totally optional, but man, it can really make a difference in your speed. And finding one of these is super easy. Just pop open a new tab and search for Cetco. That's C-E-T-C-O. You'll find their SNI host generator, pick your country from the list, and boom, it'll spit out a host address for you. All you got to do is copy it. Okay, once you've got that SNI host copied, just jump back to that SSHOcean tab. You'll see a spot where you can paste it right in. Do that, and you are ready to finalize your server. Almost there. So once the server is made, the site's going to give you this big block of text. Now, this is important. This is your configuration code. It's basically the secret key to your private internet outpost. You need to copy that whole thing to your clipboard. Don't miss any of it. All right, on to the final piece of the puzzle. We have our key, that's the config code you just copied. Now we just need the lock to put it in. And that's where the Dark Tunnel VPN app comes in. This is where it all comes together. And trust me, this part is ridiculously easy. Just go to the Play Store, search for Dark Tunnel VPN, and install it. Open up the app, find the config option, tap Import, and then tap Import from Clipboard. The app is smart enough to just grab that code you copied. That's it. And just like that, you're done. All the hard work is over. Your custom server settings are loaded right into the app. Now, all that's left to do is hit that big connect button and start enjoying your brand new private connection. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've done something pretty cool. You haven't just connected to a VPN. You've literally built your own private corner of the internet. So let's talk about the reward. What did you just unlock for yourself? Well, for starters, you've got lightning fast browsing. No more of that awful lag. Your personal information, it's now safe and secure, totally shielded from anyone trying to peek. You now have a super reliable private connection that you control. And the best part? This setup works absolutely anywhere in the world. So, I'll leave you with this question. You now have the keys to a faster, safer, more private internet. You've built it yourself. So, now that your connection is truly yours, what are you going to go explore?